Okay, something weird happened to my tulips this year. I planted this in January because I wanted nice tall stems for cut flowers in April. But it's only mid-March and they have already bloomed. And look at this, guys. Look at how short they are. The stems are super duper short, probably 1 to 2 inches tall. And the same thing with the new ones that are on here, as you can see. Look at that. I just ignore the dry soil because I just got home from work and I just wanted to show you a video of my tulips. So you can see what happened to these tulips this year, which in the past I have planted tulips in January and I was successful. Um, but I know that tulips actually need long period of cold to grow properly. This process is called vernalization. So they're supposed to sit in cold soil for weeks, I think about 14 weeks. So they can grow strong roots, and then when it warms up, they stretch upward and bloom. But this year, I planted them in January, which was probably too late. They didn't get enough cold time, and then we had some warmer weather, which basically confused them. So instead of growing tall first, they just went straight to blooming while they're still tiny. That's why these flowers look normal, but the stems are super short, like that. I can't even cut them for cut flowers. Other things that can make this worse are warm weather too early, planting too shallow, and smaller bulbs. What's interesting is in past years, I planted in January and got decent stems. But this year, the weather warmed up earlier, so they didn't stay cold long enough. So here's what I'm doing differently next time. I am planting earlier, like November or December, making sure they get at least 10 to 14 weeks of cold and planting them a little deeper. So if your tulips are blooming super short like this, it's not random. It's all about temperature and timing. Next year, hopefully, I will have actual cut flowers instead of mini tulips. Follow for more garden experiments. That's going to be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening.